To match dye a skin tone, here are some options for swatching. To prevent sun fading, our Pantone Skin Tone Guide is kept in a light-proof bag. Take it out of the bag and fan it open, and you will find an array of different skin tone swatches from dark to light, each of which has a hole in the center of the color sample. View the actor's skin through the hole in the center of the card to determine which color swatch is closest to their skin tone. In this case, I would choose the swatch on the left. Each card has a unique number on the back. Take a note of that so that you can find that skin tone card later when dyeing. Pantone skin tones have either red or yellow undertones. The Pantone number includes either an R or a Y to indicate which undertone that swatch has. This can be helpful in determining your skin tone dye recipe. As with all of their physical products, the Pantone Skin Tone Guide is pretty expensive in a hard copy. You can use the Pantone Connect app as an alternative to determine skin tones. Import a photograph of the client or performer whose skin tone needs to be matched. Select several points on the person's skin, and the app will determine Pantone swatches for each one. You can then use one or more of these swatches as references in determining your color match dye process. With time, you can create your own swatch set and recipe book. This skin tone swatch set is made of custom dyed swatches of spandex for a dance company. Each swatch is labeled and corresponds to a mixing ticket in a recipe book so that the color can be accurately replicated. Much like the hard copy of the Pantone Color Guide, these swatch sets should be kept in a light-proof bag to prevent sun fading. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell for notification of new content, and join me every Thursday at 3 p.m. Eastern for my live studio stream.